What's up, everyone? Josh here at Dynasty, and we just wrapped up this Audi A4 with full front PPF. We got the fender, the hood, and the front bumper protected. But on this A4, we had to bulk each panel because they don't have these cutouts in our system. So we had to take a full piece of PPF and make our own pre-cut pattern. So we still wrap in between the fenders here underneath the hood, and we wrap the whole front bumper with our paint protection film. So this Audi A4 is ready to hit the road and see some rock chips and protect that paint underneath the PPF.
Your vehicle's paint is constantly under attack. Rock chips, road debris, bug acids, and everyday driving hazards can permanently damage it. That's where paint protection film comes in. PPF is a virtually invisible, high-impact protective layer applied to your vehicle's painted surfaces. It acts as a physical barrier, absorbing impacts that would normally chip or scratch your paint. Unlike waxes or coatings, PPF actually prevents damage. It's designed to self-heal from light scratches, resist staining, and maintain your factory finish for years to come. High-impact areas like the front bumper, hood, fenders, mirrors, and rocker panels benefit the most. But full vehicle coverage is also available for ultimate protection. The result? Your vehicle stays looking newer for longer, holds its value better, and costs less to maintain over time. If you care about protecting your investment, not just making it shine, paint protection film is the gold standard.